Hi, welcome. What we're doing now is we're talking about vertical shift of a parabola. Vertical means a graph goes up or it goes down. So let's take an example. Suppose we have the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 4. So let's draw the graph of x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 will go through here. It'll turn here and it'll go through here. So that's a graph of x squared minus 4. Now let's say this graph moves 2 units up. If it goes 2 units up, it's simply plus 2. Now what happens? Plus 2 where? The y-intercept will simply means it's y-intercept plus 2. So if the graph moves up, if this whole graph moves up, then this y-intercept will move up 2 units. So the graph will turn here. So it will turn here. Okay? 2 units up, so it goes there. Then obviously there will be a new x-intercept and there will be another new x-intercept there. So that's your new graph. Y is equal to x squared minus 4. That was your old graph plus 2 because it moved up. So you add 2 to it. It only changes the y-intercept, and so the final answer will be y is equal to x squared minus 2. Simple. So when a graph moves up or when it moves down, only the y-intercept will change, nothing else. Only the y-intercept will change. So you can see you had x squared here, you still got x squared. Only the y-intercept, you added 2 to the y-intercept, and then you get the final answer, y is equal to x squared minus 4. So this graph here, its equation is y is equal to x squared minus 2. Alright, and these are the new x-intercepts. Okay, let's move on to another example. Let's call this example 1. Now we're going to take the same graph, y is equal to x squared minus 4. We'll move it down. Let me do this one in blue. I'm going to move it down 1 unit. So it's moving down. Down 1 unit, that means it's minus 1. So what will happen to the equation? The old equation was y is equal to x squared minus 4. Because it's moving down, it will be minus 1. And so the final answer will be x squared minus 5. Now, here's x squared minus 4. If I move it down, then this y-intercept will come here. Hope you can see that. It will come here. If I move this graph down, it will come way here. Then the new graph will be something like that. The blue one is y is equal to, so now we need to know what is the equation of this one. Well, y is equal to, we worked it out here, x squared minus 5. So a graph can move up or a graph can move down. If it moves up, it will be plus. If it moves up 2 units, it will be y-intercept plus 2. If it moves down 1 unit, down is minus. So it will be, if it moves down 1 unit, it will be minus 1. So y-intercept minus 1. And that's how you get the 2 answers. So in summary, if a graph moves up or down, only the y-intercept will change. If it goes up, you add to the y-intercept. If it goes down, you subtract from the y-intercept. That's how simple it is. Alright, so next we will do horizontal shift and you need to pay very careful attention when it comes to horizontal shifts. Now I've just used this one which had graph paper on it. The next one I'm going to do freehand because I need a lot of space to do some writing. So the next one I will do freehand. It'll be a rough sketch, but you will get the idea. Alright, so let's end here and do the next one, which will be a horizontal shift.